Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear respected brothers and sisters, I'm going to now walk you through on how to search for a package and how to configure a package, and walk you through in the process on how you have it saved in your cart. As you see, I have selected a preferred package because I was working on this, but it might just say preferred category for you if you do not have a preferred package, but it's okay, you can continue working ahead. Here is your e-wallet balance that will be displayed here, and the number of days for Hajj. If you don't have an e-wallet balance, that's okay. You can continue configuring, but you will get an alert afterwards. So the purpose of this one, we're going to configure packages. So you click on the packages on top, and then you're going to be able to see all the packages that are available on the Nusuk platform. You can search, you can surf, you can do a variety of different searches over here. I'm going to show you two quick ones to do here. If you want to just do Al-Bayt packages, so the service provider, and you would go with Al-Bayt, and you will see all the Al-Bayt packages, and then you can browse through them and search for the Ikhlas ones that are in there. So we're just waiting for it to load up, and it is normal for the website to be a little bit slow depending on the traffic, so please be patient. So these are all the various different Al-Bayt packages. So we have 3 Al-Bayt packages listed over here. They're non-shifting ones. All right, and then there's the other ones. A good way to know which ones are Ikhlas, if it says IKH in the description, those will be the Ikhlas ones. And we will be supporting, guiding 5 of them. Okay, I'm just going to reset back out of there. And give me a minute, inshallah. And I'm going to try a different way. You can search the exact package code, or you can just type in IKH, and it will display you all the guided ones by Ikhlas. So far we have 3 here. There's 2 more missing. The shifting packages will be loaded shortly as well. So as you can see over here, you can see the codes A5900U IKH standard non-shifting extended, I5400U Ikhlas standard non-shifting classic, I5700U Ikhlas standard non-shifting extended. As you can see here, what it says, it's custom packages, meaning that it's going to be a group provided flight. That's what custom means. Al-Mu'aysim camp, and the number of days, which is 17 days. And this one's the 15 days, this one's the 23 days. As you can see, it also says standard for all. You can configure whichever one you would like. So we'll go ahead and we'll view the details on the 17 days one, and we'll configure this one. It is similar across all of them, so nothing changes except the one for shifting. There will be a little bit of more configuration that you would have to do in the rooms. All right, as you can see here, the price listed here is per person without the flights, and we're going to configure the flights at the end. All right, and this is based on quad. So when you open the view details, you would see all the details, the different images, the details further, the accommodation details, the hotels, the Al-Mu'aysim camps, details, and the package services. And the package services, if it's a gold check mark, that means it's included. If it's grayed out, it's not included. And if it's a green dollar sign, available at additional fees. The reason why you're seeing air travel here is at the end you will add the air travel in it, and that will be the total price. Okay, as you continue forwarding down, you're scrolling down, you'll see the cancellation policies. Please make sure you review them and get familiar with the cancellation policies. Once you're down all the way, there's a configure button. You would click on the configure button to proceed ahead. The first configuration that will happen is your hotels rooms, the accommodations in your rooms. The accommodations. You see 3 here, and for Azizia or shifting package specifically, you'll see a 4th one here for the Azizia hotel. If you just want to stick to quads, and this is based on the number of the type of room you want, not based on how many people are in your package. All prices that we were quoting were based on quads. So you would add them in here. So if you have 3 people, 4 people, you would add them in appropriately in quads. I only have one, so I would only add one for Kiswa and one for Waqf Uthman. If I was a couple and I wanted to, then for the 2 people here, I would add 1, 2. I'm only able to do 1 as I only have 1 person on this profile. And same thing for Waqf Uthman. If I wanted to do double there, I would have to do double here. Right? If it's a couple that husband, wife, or 2 brothers, or 2 mahrams that want to stay together, they could do it. You could also configure it to be only that you want a double room in Makkah, but in Waqf Uthman you want quad in Medina, or vice versa. You could also do it that. You could also select a triple room if you have, let's say, 3 people, husband, wife, and a child. Obviously over the age of 12, and you want a 3 to stay in there, then you would do the triple room. So that's how you would configure. The prices does increase as you, depending on the selection you make, and this is per bed per person. Okay, so once you have configured this, you would proceed ahead. If you're missing the person or if you haven't done sufficient configuration, you will get an error message and ask you to complete it. So we're going to configure 1.1, and we're going to proceed ahead, and the prices will get updated accordingly. Here you can add additional services. So if somebody who requires wheelchair services, you would add that over here and then click continue to the next page. But we don't need, for personally, I don't need, so I won't configure it. But if you need, you'll get a free wheelchair provided in Makkah if there is availability. And that's a wheelchair only, not the wheelchair if you require somebody to push your wheelchair. That is additional, and you'll have to organize that outside. Now you are at your main page. As you can see here, this is the flights. Currently, the only option there is to select pre-packaged configured flights, because this is a custom package. And that's what we recommend you to do, is to select the flight that we're flying with. In phase 2, it may open up if there's packages still available and it's not sold out, custom flights. And we're not looking at custom flights right now, so we're going to use the package group flights here. So as you can see, this is the Toronto Pearson to Jeddah, and then Medina to Toronto Pearson, and this is the cost. There's also a secondary option here, and it's the same exact one, I believe, 31st May, this one, and 18 June. 31st May and 18 June, so either one selection is fine. Actually, one has a different departure time actually on your return flight, and that's the reason why. Inshallah. So if you select one here, let's just say this one, then the prices will get updated, and you will proceed ahead to the next window. This is the transportation options. Alhamdulillah, all our transportations are provided included in the package, so you don't need to select anything. Now we will go to booking your final phase of the package, which will be your summary. And before we get there, I will just like to share a few other details. And you will quickly see that the costing of the package will be here. And you would want to validate all your details in here before proceeding ahead. Just make sure everything is accurate, your name, your passport numbers, everything. On the day of purchasing, this button will become purchase, and you would click purchase and you would check out. For the purposes of now, we will save configuration. But I do want you to check. This is where you will get the alert for your e-wallet balance. Inshallah, this should be higher than your total price. If not that, you will not be able to check out. So for the purpose here, we will save configuration and we will click OK. On the day of purchasing now, when you log in, you will land on your dashboard. You'll see booking details, you'll see your e-wallet balance, etc. If you're going with a pre-configured flight, which is what's going to be available in phase 1, you would quickly come here, you would go configure package, and you would quickly just check out over here. The save configuration button will change to purchase or checkout. Within seconds, you will be completed. I hope this video was helpful. Jazakallah khair for watching.